Hello everyone. In this video, we will be learning about the pigments in algae. We know algae have a characteristic color which are formed due to the presence of combinations of pigments. So algae have characteristic color. Algae have characteristic color due to the formation of combination of pigments which are specific for each class, which are specific for each class. So these pigments are usually found inside a membrane-bound structure which we call as plastids. So you will find the pigments inside a membrane-bound structure called as plastids. But there is an exception like cyanophyceae, which we also call as blue-green algae, where the plastids are not found inside a membrane-bound structure or inorganally. They are found in the periphery of cytoplasm. Periphery of cytoplasm. We can further classify the pigments or the plastids into two classes. So plastids can be further classified into leucoplast and chromoplast. So what is leucoplast and what is chromoplast? So leucoplast means they are colorless plastids. Means they do not give any color to the algae, while the chromoplast or chromoplast are called colorless plastids. Color plastids. Color plastids. So on the basis of presence of chlorophyll A and B, they are further classified into chloroplast and chromatophores. This classification was on the basis of presence of chlorophyll A and B. So in case of chloroplast, you will find both chlorophyll A and B. But in case of chromatophores, you will find only chlorophyll A. That means the chlorophyll B is absent here. We can further classify the chromatophores into different types on the basis of their structure. So chromatophores classification on the basis of their structure. So first is cup-shaped chromatophore. So what is cup-shaped chromatophore? You will find the plastids are shaped like a cup in which the pigments are present inside this membrane-bound organelle. So these are usually found in Chlamydomonas, volvox. Such shape of cup-shaped chloroplastids are found in Chlamydomonas and volvox. And number second, discoid chromatophore. In case of discoid chromatophore, the plastids are flat and circular like that of a disc. These are usually found in Vaucheria and Cara. Next is girdle shape. So in case of girdle shape, the plastids are shaped like a belt-like structure. And you will find such kind of plastid in Eulotrix. Next is reticulate. Reticulate chromatophore. Here, if we take a cell of algae, the plastids will form a network-like structure. Means the shape is irregular. These are usually found in Odogonium and Hydrodictyum. And the last one is, second last is spiral chromatophore. You can assume from the name spiral, the shape of plastid will be like that of a ribbon shape. So these are all usually found in Spirogyra. And the last one is stellate shape. Stellate shape chromatophore. Here, the ends of the plastids will resemble that of a star-shaped structure. So these are usually found in Zycnema. Following that, we will see what are the pigments present in algae. The pigments present in the algae. Under this, we will study about chlorophyll, xanthophyll, carotins, and last is phycobilins. So, chlorophyll, usually we will find 5 types of chlorophyll, namely A, B, C, D, and E. So these 5 types of chlorophyll are usually found in different classes of algae. We will study in detail which chlorophyll are present for specific classes. And in case of xanthophyll, you will find lutein, viola xanthine, and neoxanthine. So these are the types of xanthophyll. And in case of carotene, you will find alpha carotene, beta carotene, C carotene, and there is also called E carotene. And lastly, in phycobilins, we will see phycoerythrin and phycocyanin. So these phycoerythrin are usually found in red algae, while the phycocyanin are usually found in rhodophyceae, that is red algae, and cyanophyceae.